all these charities. Like, she
Right.
doesn't just give away money for the
Yeah,
followers.
that's ridiculous.
Yeah, and she got mad at me. She's like, "Oh, you're like missing out on $2.5 grand, whatever." I'm like, "All right, like, text me when you get that check in the mail, and
Exactly.
we'll talk."
Exactly. So she's following.
Yeah, you have to follow her and then like repost a picture of her holding the
Oh my
check
gosh.
on your Instagram.
By
It's
the way, we are live on Facebook and YouTube right now. Can you
Okay, let's
confirm
see.
all of this?
No, not yet. She's running late, she said.
Good morning, Abram. Yeah, I'm back on my vacation today.
Oh my god. Okay. Hold on. Apparently someone is on Facebook claiming to be an employee and posting racist comments, so I will take care of it.
Is on Facebook?
What Facebook? Spar Bernstein? Or Brad personal? Spar Bernstein? Okay. I'll take care of that. Yes, yeah. If we post that, that's fine.
Yeah, we're live on Facebook right now, by the way.
Okay.
Letting you know. Good morning, everybody.
I see you brighten. Oh, that's great lighting, actually.
Thank you. I did it myself. All right. Whatever any person is doing that is not authorized, they will just be barred. That's all. It's very simple. And there I am. Good morning, Kimberly. Good morning, Dan. And it is 9 o'clock right now. So let's connect. We are connected to WVIP. Do we hear any? Can you put up WVIP and make sure we're connected, please? Dan?
Say that again, Brad?
Can you put up WVIP and make sure we are connected? The show is going to start.
on this
everybody.
New
Yep.
York
Okay,
Carnival
put it
visit.
back down. Okay, so the show is going to start in about 2 minutes or so. And what else do we need to do? Squeeze texted me. He's stuck in an elevator somewhere. He will be here shortly. And he's not going to be here in... He's not going to be here in... He's not going to be here in... in the Hamptons, obviously, but he will be... in the studio once his elevator reaches him. I'm just putting on my Facebook right now. And good morning, Abram. Tamika, good morning. Christine, good morning. Marcy, good morning. Nicola, good morning. Good morning to all of you. And we're going to be live on the radio in about 2 minutes or so. And when we're live, we can start our show. Nicola's funny. Squeeze has the wedding hangover. And maybe he has the honeymoon hangover. I don't know. I don't know what he has. I've stopped trying to figure out this Squeeze guy. I don't know. And we're going to be starting our show in about 1 minute. Can you just check to make sure they're still running commercials on WVIP, please?
Cancer in your own.
Okay. All right. It's the cancer commercial, unfortunately. I hope nobody has that. And everybody hears me loud and clear because I'm not very close to my microphone out here because the wire doesn't go any further. So just please let me know everybody can hear me good. Tamika says, Squeeze is warming over leftovers from the reception. That's funny. He's a little late. He's warming over the leftovers. All right, so we'll be starting very, very shortly here. Marcy says thank you. She does hear me. Good. Yes, Tamika, thank you. Tamika hears me too. We're also live on Facebook. How many people are watching us on Facebook right now? 6? 6 people watching us on Facebook. All right, 7 people watching us on Facebook. Where can I put this? All right, I'm done with my coffee. It's 9:03. Can you check? I believe we are live now on WVIP. Yes, we are. What is that? What was that noise? Dan. Can you check? I believe we are live now on WVIP. Okay, there we are. Good morning, everybody. This is the Brad and Squeeze show. Squeeze is running a little late. We believe he got stuck warming his leftovers. That's what Tamika said. Tamika spoke to him, and he was warming over his leftovers from his reception the other day. He got stuck, waiting for the oven to finish warming those leftovers over, and he said he is now on his way. He will be here in the next few minutes. I am live from the Hamptons right now. Squeeze will be shortly in our New York City studio. We're also joined, as we are every day, by Spielberg Jr., our camera operator, and Kimberly, our social media guru, and Kyle may or may not be there. I've not heard his voice yet, but
I am indeed here.
He is indeed here as well. Welcome, everybody. 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465. Christine Lewis Anderson sometimes it's the elevators, sometimes it's the leftovers. We believe it is the leftovers today. That is what caused Squeeze to be late. I did get a text message from him that he will be shortly joining us. In the meantime, we're going to be answering your immigration questions. 1-800-529-5465. And Kimberly, I don't know if we have any news of the day, but if we do, would you be kind enough to load it so I can check it out as well?
I sure will.
Thank
I'll
you
do
very
that
much.
right now.
Thank you very much. 1-800-529-5465. That's the number to call to get on the radio. I'm going to say that number very slowly. 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465. We've been joined on the line by Marlon, who's going to have an immigration question answered very shortly. We have 11 open lines still. So if you give us a call, you will be able to get on the radio, 1-800-529-5465. And let's see, Kimberly put up the news for the day here. And while we're waiting for Squeeze. And Marlon, we're going to be with you in about a minute. I'm just reading the news here myself for the first time. Let's see what's happening. I mean, obviously everybody still knows what's going on in Texas. I did see on the news last night, I was watching CNN, and apparently the sun has finally come out in Houston, and people are finally getting out of their homes and seeing the damage that unfortunately they've have to repair, and there's lots of people hurt, missing, unfortunately dead, and our hearts and sympathies and our prayers go out to everybody there. That is the number one news story of the day. But on other news, as it relates to immigration and law and all that other stuff, we see here the appeals court, an appeals court in Seattle, Washington, I guess that would be the Ninth Circuit, is inclined to overturn Trump's Muslim ban a second time. Judge Ronald Gould said, quote, "How can the government take the position that a grandmother or grandfather or aunt or uncle of a child in the United States does not have a close family relationship? Like, what universe does that come from?" So that does not sound very promising there for the Trump administration. What's going to be very interesting with the Trump administration is DACA, because there are 10 attorney generals who, from Republican states, who are anti-immigrant, who have sued Donald Trump, saying that the initial DACA program, the DACA program from what Obama put in 2010, the 2012 DACA program that Obama put in is illegal. And Trump has until September 5th to put in a reply to the first lawsuit against the DACA program from the 2012 Obama DACA program. And we don't know to this day whether or not Trump is going to put in a reply. And if he does not put in a reply, then Trump loses the lawsuit. He's actually being sued to stop enforcing DACA, and then that would be the end of DACA. So it is now August 31st, 2017, and we will know next week whether or not Donald Trump will be putting in a reply brief, his answer to the DACA lawsuit. And if he does not, that would be the death blow to DACA. If he does, then, and hopefully he does, he says he supports DACA. He's come out and said it multiple times, except recently he's now kind of waffled on that. So we'll see what happens. 1-800-529-5465, 1-800-529-5465, 1-800-529-5465, 1-800-529-5465. And we're going to go to line 1, I think. Hello?
Yes, good morning.
How are you, Marlon?
I'm okay.
What's up?
Yes, so I already started my citizenship process because my green card will be expiring within 2 months. It's November. So I decided to do my citizenship instead of renewing my green card.
Okay.
So I'm currently going to work and I'm wondering if in 2 months when my green card expires, if my job could say to me, well, your green card expires, you cannot work anymore, even though I am in the process of doing my citizenship.
The answer is yes, they can. They can do that. They can absolutely do that. If I mean, you are a lawful resident. You just don't
That's
have
correct.
evidence. In 2 months, when your green card expires, you are a lawful resident. You just don't have evidence that you are a lawful resident. And the law says if you can't provide evidence to your employer that you are a lawful resident, that is a lawful reason to discharge you from employment. So when did you apply for your citizenship?
About 2 months ago, and yesterday I went to do my fingerprinting yesterday.
All right, so I would have a conversation with your employer instead of worrying about it. I would have a conversation with your employer about it, and it's either going to cost you $545 or it's not. But it's better to have that conversation now and make a determination whether it's going to cost you $545 or if, your employer is cool with it.
So the $545 would be
to replace the green card,
which is the I-90 form, correct?
Right. And where do you live?
And
where do you live?
Brooklyn, New York.
Okay. What I would do is this. Go down to the immigration service and see if they will put a stamp in your passport. Explain the situation. Your employer is giving you a hard time. Go down and see if they'll put a stamp in your passport, and hopefully you'll save the $540 and you'll save that conversation with your employer. If not, you're going to have to go renew your green card if your employer is going to give you a hard time.
The immigration service is where?
26 Federal Plaza.
So isn't this something that you could handle, Brad?
It is something I can handle. Thank you, Squeeze.
I think you should handle it.
All right, hold on 1 second, okay? Yeah. Hold on 1 second.
1-800-529-5465, 11 minutes after the hour. Welcome to the Brad and Squeeze Show. Turbulence, Brad? You have a little turbulence there?
A little turbulence. Tamika and the rest of the Brad Squad and Team Squeeze on Facebook, they don't believe that you were stuck in an elevator. They all agreed that you were just warming up the leftovers from the wedding reception nobody was invited to.
Nah, just so the wife kept me a little bit preoccupied.
I see.
That's all it was.
It just lasted, whatever the preoccupation was, it lasted a little longer than anticipated.
She had me frying some eggs.
Some eggs. Got it. Are you controlling the board, or am I don't know where you're sitting right now.
I'm sitting by you, but you're controlling the board.
I am controlling the board. Okay, that's fine.
I mean, listen, nothing changes.
Okay.
Just the location.
Okay, very good. All right, so do your thing, Squeeze.
So, once again, folks, welcome again. 12 minutes after the hour. It's a Thursday. Someone is in the Hamptons. Someone is in New York City. That's me, respectively. Of course, that's Bradford H. Bernstein, the attorney, real attorney, okay, with a law firm that's been around since 1958, all right? And yours truly, Squeeze.